Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog. Do you know you can create Android mobile app with your Android phone, your smartphone, your tablets without coding knowledge with just drag and drop feature? And even if you want to apply code also, you can still use it. We have different types of app developers, app development software, sites, platforms that you can create your simple app, your first app, second apps, and those of your apps you may want to create. Not only ordinary app, you can still also create games with that same platform or software with just only your Android phone. Sometimes, let me just say, no data connection. So in this video, no doubts, I want to open up, show you the step-by-step guides. We have different types of software we may want to use or we can use to create it, but I want to use one now. If you still need to know others of that ones, others of the software you can use, if this one is not okay for you, maybe you are not able to use the first one I want to use now, comment in the comment section of this video. I will go on with another software, though I still have it on mind to do it in the next video. So what you have to do, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop the video, you also will first get the notification that we have come with another video in this very topic. So in this video, the name of the platform or the name of the software, the app that you can want to use to create mobile app with your Android phone is known as Sketchware. This is what we call Sketchware. With Sketchware is a very simple platform that you can or software you can use to create mobile app without coding knowledge. If you want to, like, you don't have any idea on JavaScript coding, so because app is JavaScript, yes, I can say if you may want to apply HTML, is something you want to make something like web app, or you want to move, like you want to attach web page to your app, but entirely app is JavaScript. So sometimes you don't have the JavaScript idea, you don't know that you can use JavaScript to create app, and you want to just create the app without JavaScript knowledge. This app software is for you, and you'll be able to create standard apps, standard games, game that you'll be able to publish on Google Play Store and others of the app stores, and people will download it. You also have put your AdSense and you get monetized with your app through Google AdSense or any of the AdSense platform. Then you get paid from those monetization, and people will be paying, because those platforms will be paying you based on the impression of your app. So without wasting of any time, I open the Sketchware software now. This app link is in the description section of this video, so you click the link there. It will take you to the direct platform where you are where you can get the original version of this app. Like this, we call it Sketchware Pro. So we have different version, different API of it. So you click and you download the best one that suits your device. You start using it. So sometimes when you open it, something like this may show. Yes, not even may show. Something like this for the very first time will show, and some of those things you need to configure the settings and all those things. So once you finish this, Sketchware is like this. Already all this thing that you are seeing is some of those tutorial apps that I am using to run my tutorial on Sketchware. First of all, you open, you want to create your first app. You click here, click the add button. So when you click on the add button, something like this will show. You have this dialog pop-up dialog like this. So what you have to do is to click on the advanced setting and to expand the old settings. So once you open the setting like this, so first of all you bring in your app icon. So maybe you don't have the app icon yet, or you have already prepared app icon, but you can still come back and replace it. You can still come back and change it if you have not just prepared your app icon. But it is good to prepare your app icon, prepare the name of your app, prepare the what we know as package name, so that before once you go into your app, it will be easy for you to customize it. It will be easy for you to go straight to the point and organize your app as well, very well, so that you will not spend much of time in design or thinking of what kind of app or what type of app you want to create. So once you click on here, you to be show up some options where how you want to pick your icons. The first one is choose icon from gallery. The other one is choose from gallery with cropping. Like you choose no matter how big the image may want to be, so you use cropping to crop it to the size you want it, or to the part of the image you want to take, not all the data that are in on the image. So the other one is choose to default icon. Like Adobe, you already choose something like icon which you don't want to use, and you it's your thing like, okay, let me just create the app first before I'll come and change it. So this is the last one here where you mean as choose to default icon. If the icon was choose from gallery, then you want to change it to the default where how it was before. This particular option here is working on that. So I click on here to so once you click on here, sometimes you see some of this pop-up option where you want to get the data, the image data from. Because first of all, let me just say, okay, I want to use the Sketchware. This is what we know as Sketchware. This is Sketchware icon because the app that I opened didn't show the icon. Example, this is the Sketchware icon. So you click on this. Not until you use this one, I'm using it as an example. As you can see, the icon I selected is here. It's ready. First of all, select icon before you do any other thing in Sketchware to avoid disorganizing. Because if you want to go into setting up all these things before you pick an icon, before you come back, it will disorganize those things that you already set up here. So the next thing for you to do is to give the name to your app. What's the name of the app? You can say, in my own app, because it is test app, I can say sample app, sample app. So this app is for Android version. It's not an iOS. This app is for Android version, Android devices. So we are trying to create Android app here. So in iOS, there's another software you can use to create iOS mobile application, but this one is Android. So once you give it a name, here we have some color options here to set up color options. In the next video, or if you still want to know how to use this particular place, comment in the comment section. But although I will set up the color section, but some of these things has meaning how you can use them. So you click on it, make a color picker, you pick any color you want to pick any color you want it to, how you want it to be, pick any color. The next thing for you to do is to set your package name. So this is what we know as package name. Package name is an ID to your mobile application that differentiates your app with others of the apps. So you have to make sure that your package name is quite different from others of the, because there are a lot of mobile apps in Play Store, in stores, app stores. So Adobe, your package name is something that you copy from another person and use it in your app. Now that you are creating the app, it will work. But once you want to upload the app on Play Store, it will be let me say something like, let me say deny. It will decline because your package name and the other package name, or like, let me just say the app contain a duplicate package name. It has already been there in the Play Store. So your package name is what we call personal ID, special, something that is just for your app. So how can you make a special package name? For me to come into this tutorial, I want to show you package name. Even if you're not using Sketchware to create your app, once you have any software that you want to use and create your app, and you have this opportunity to set up your package name, it is very interesting for you. So let me just say, you come here now. Package name, sometimes not until it start with com dot. So even if you don't want to use this com dot, but I recommend you come start with com dot. So you now say com dot, this dot. Now you see, now in this middle, the middle is sometimes you want to say com dot my sample app. It is something that I will advise you to use one let me say developer name as that middle. Now you want to say, okay, unlimited com dot unlimited monies dot sample app. As you can see now, we have it here, com dot unlimited monies dot sample apps. Okay, now you can see here now in this unlimited monies here, now you see this middle name here. The middle name is what you will be repeating, what you use. Maybe you want to create something like key store to sign your app. when you want to create something like e-store to sign your app, it is the name that you will use, so that let this name repeat in your key stores. Yes, number one. Then let this name also repeat in your developer account, console account, because once all this something like this repeats, is repeating. Now Google will not let me say kind of decline your or reject your app during the process of uploading your or publishing your app on stores, because some of these things now is something that is like the app, as if the app belongs to you. So now you click on this next one is the name of the app. So always use com.this, repeat this package name, this name here with the name of the app. It is good. It will now always allow your app to be different in app ID from the others, or with the others mobile Android app that are there on store. So after you have finished that in Sketchware, the next thing is for you to set the package the this thing. This one is the version. This one is the version code. So what's the version code? Maybe this one now, the version is version 1 and this one is version 1.1. So if you want to change it, you can change it to version. This one can be version 2, this one can be version 1.1 or 1.2. Anyhow you want to set it higher than 10, higher than 1.0 or 5.0 or 9.0. So after you have finished that, you click on create. So once you finish on click on create, now we have our app here. So this is the interface of the app. As you can see, the color that we change is displaying here. These are the colors. So those colors has its own function. So now we have the view. These are the views, the user interface. This is the user interface, how our app will look before we go into the logic. So once you click like this, your app is ready now. So what you have to do is for you to add data on the screen. So you click on this particular area, linear, you drag in, you just click and hold, drag in and put it here. We have linear. That one now is linear 1. So if you still want to know more about this Sketchware, I have tutorial on this Sketchware from the beginning to the end. So you get the meaning and the useful of all these views in the description section of this video. The link is there. It's a playlist where you can open and you get everything in one place. So if you still need other things to know more about this, you comment in the comment section, like this video, share it with those that are in need of app development skills. After that, you look for text. This is text view. This text view, I don't want to go into explanation to text view, but I'm trying to show you what you need to drag in. This text view must be inside a linear. This linear now, you make it to white, match parents, then the height of it match parents. So now we see the match parents, the linear is there, and this text view is in the linear. So you click on here, once you click on here, you come to the gravity of it, you make it center vertical. So you make it, this text now is in vertical. You now say write a text on the screen. So this is how you can create your app. Simple. If you know how to make use of this, you can organize, you can arrange, and you can make your apps to look fine. Now say my first sample app. So you can increase the size of the text. You can increase the size of the text. You can make the text to be bold. You can change the color of the text. Everything is here. All those things I used to see in other people's apps are here. You can make everything. You can make the background of this linear to be white. So now we have it. So now I want to add something, another thing like button. You can see we have button here. You see the button is standing at the behind, like it is not under, because this linear is horizontal linear, it is not vertical linear. So if the linear was vertical, it would have been, this one would have been under the text view. So you see now this one is button. So when this button click, what will happen? Let me just put that one in practice so that also you understand that this platform is very good for you to create a mobile app. If you still want to know more about this platform, the link is there in the description section of this video where you can get those things ahead. So now you click on the events. You want to put this button click in action. So click on the events on click. So I have to do a little action here. Click on the block parts. This is the view. Click on the view. When button click, what will happen? I will show you. I want to run some action. I want to run the action now so that you understand. Okay, now you see I have put this button in action. When the button click, what will happen? Okay, now we close the arm. So the next thing is our app is ready. At AB, we have finished the construction of the app. We click on this run application. So we have to run our app now. So when our app is going fire like this, are ready to install our app. As you can see, it's just like an Android phone. You collect an APK app, APK file of application, and you want to install it into your Android phone. Exactly you used to see. So we are now to install the app now. Click on the install. I click on the install. It's installing. The app is installed. I want to open it, but before I open it, I will download this app and show you the app in our home screen, so that you see that the app is just like normal app that used to be in devices, Android devices. I will not open it from here. I will minimize this screen and show you the app in the with this icon that you are seeing here. Okay, as you can see, this is our app here. This is our app, sample app. So now let's open the app. We have opened the app. As you can see, the app is open. It is normal app, nothing like AI construction, nothing like copy and paste. This one is just a drag and drop. You can coding or putting on any JavaScript in any area. Everything is drag and drop, block language. So now let's click the button and see if there will be any action in this or on this text view. You see the text view has changed to clock 1. Once this button is clicked, something is changing here. You see it's changing. So that is the function on how to do app. So if you want to create a perfect standard unique app, it is easy without coding knowledge. I believe you understand how you can create a mobile app with drag and drop language, with block language, and it's easy for you to go further and go higher in your app development skill. Thank you for watching the video. I believe this video has been of help to you. Don't forget to share the video to your groups. Pick a time and see what is your challenge in this video or during your app development. Comment in the comment section. I'm always ready to ever ready to answer to your questions. If you still have any waste of time in the comment section for the response, you can dive into our Telegram channel. Drop your query there. One or two members of the channel will be able to see you through. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.